So after editing, one of the things that you can do is directly share out the media that you edited into a social media of your choice. So to do that, you need to go around and click on export and share right here. And once you do that, you can see that social media is an option. So you can choose YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, or Instagram, as you can see right here. So you can go around and choose around the media, the place where you want to go around and export out your media. So I'm just going to go around and choose YouTube and select a quality right here and set to share work area bar only. That is, I'm only I'm only sharing out the in and out point that I set right here. So let me just go around over here onto social media, just like this, and choose YouTube itself. So this is what you have. So over here, you can go around and choose high quality or standard quality right here, just like this. And then what I can simply do is I can go around and begin the share. So once I do that, what happens is that you can see that it is loading. So you need to go around and authorize Adobe Premiere Elements to upload media to a YouTube account. Same goes for Vimeo, Facebook, or Instagram account right here. So once you go around and do that right here, what happens is that it opens up your browser like this, and it is saying like Photoshop and Adobe Premiere Elements the uploader is trying to access your Google account. So I'm just going to go around, and I'm already signed in onto my Google account, and that is why I'm getting this window. So you need to go around and click on this, and you need to go around and allow the software to manage your YouTube account. So I'm just going to go around and click on allow right here, just like this, and it says thank you right here. You have authorized right here, just like this. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and click on complete authorization right here, just like this. So, and there you go. So you can go around and directly share it out on YouTube, as you can see. Let me just go around and make it private right here, and you can see that this is what you have. So let me just go around and say test export right here, and I'm going to say test upload directly in social media right here, just like this. So these are the tags right here. So I'm just going to go around and see let's say for example video right here, just like this. So once you go around and select all of these, you can simply click on upload right here. Then it renders out the media right here and directly uploads it out on YouTube. So it's transferring, as you can see right here, just like that. So it is transferring to YouTube, and once it's done right here, then what happens is that you can go around and access it out on YouTube right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and access out YouTube Studio right here, just like this. And under the video right here, you can see that test export is here. So you can see that it has been uploaded with the details that I added in. So you can see the text export right here, just like this. And you can see that there's test upload. So I actually typed in text, but no problem. But you can see the video footage right here, where you can go around and further edit and publish this out. So that is how you can go around and directly share out your media in social media by using Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.